Hey everyone, how's it going? Rob here, MotoLabDirtBikes.com. Quick setup tip when it comes to setting up your bars. There's no question that for me, and I know when I used to work with Max Gersten at the race shop, he would agree that bar setup is the most time intensive. So a couple quick tips here. Getting the bars on a flat plane. So what does that mean? That means rolling the handlebars back in the clamp. So for example, on this one here, so we've got it rolled back about 1 notch there. And what that means is if you stand from the side, and you could draw an imaginary center line through the center of the fork and then look up through the bar right there. And also on the side here, we're just dead flat here. Obviously, that's independent of the bar, but it's tough to see on camera here, but these are on an absolute flat plane. So imagine if you roll the bars too far forward, it looks like an upside down W with points super high here, which put pressure on the median nerve and make your hands go numb. So that's something to really pay attention to. I personally like the bars dead center over the fork, so I've flipped these bar clamps and moved it forward. Another quick tip here too is to put a witness mark or a punch mark on your the joint between the master cylinder clamp here. And what that does is, so if you're not running a wraparound style guard and you hit the dirt and your levers get blasted, it's a quick reference cue where you could just bang it down with your hand, get it back into place, and you'll be spot on. So take the time, set up your machine, get to know it. Putting these things on a flat plane, like I said, is just, absolutely critical, at least for me, and I think this is really going to help you too. So there you go. Hope that helps, and hope you guys are all doing good out there. See you on the next one. Thank you.